So, for conservation of agriculture and to protect environment from the artificial modern urbanization, so recently a concept called as biovillages. This concept have been developed. What is biovillage? It is simply a model of sustainable development where modern science and traditional knowledge are combined to improve livelihoods, conserve natural resources, and to ensure better quality of life for all. Simply, it is a model which is used for sustainable development in order to save Mother Earth from this urbanization and to bring back the nature back. It is self-reliant to make life sustainable and to make prosperous. For that, they have developed a concept called as bio villages. Village means an area which is surrounded by. Bio means life, bringing back life. What life you are going to bring? You are bringing the nature back and making the village prosperous, which is environmentally safe and eco-friendly in nature. What are the different concepts in bio village? What you are going to incorporate in case of this model? One is you are going to formulate sustainable agriculture. Sustainable agriculture means you are going to follow practices which does not harm the nature. That is natural farming or organic farming where you are completely eliminating synthetic chemicals. You are following integrated nutrient and pest management practices. Means you are not only relying on chemicals for killing the pest, you are relying on all approaches like mechanical, cultural, biological and chemical methods for control of pests and diseases. The other one is crop diversification means you are going to diversify the crop. You're going to eliminate monocropping, that is rice followed by rice followed by rice, that should be eliminated. Like you are going to follow diversification and you are going to diversify crops, rice followed by maize or ragi, etc. Or in the same field you are going to farm rice half acre, maize half acre, pulses half acre, means you are going to diversify the crops. Use of biofertilizers and biopesticides for nutrient absorption or nutrient recycling of better growth of the plant without supplying artificial means like urea for reduction of urea, phosphorus, DAP. Instead of that you are using biofertilizers and biopesticides. Pesticides for pest control, biofertilizers for nutrient enhancement, both for the plant and for the soil. The other important aspect is soil and water conservation. In case of soil and water conservation, you are going to practice practices like rainwater harvesting. Means the rainwater is received that has to be harvested. It should not be gone as waste. So you are going to capture this rainwater by forming soak pits or forming tanks near your household, and you are going to make the water infiltrated into the earth or into the soil so that your water level of the or water table will be increased. The other one is formation of farm ponds. The other one is contour bunding, means you are going to reduce erosion. The other one is mulching, means you are going to cover the soil with some organic mulches so that you are giving more time for penetration of water into the soil. The other one is watershed management. Watershed means an area or an outlet where all the common points, all the water points will be reaching a common point and the water will be stored here. That is called as watershed. You are going to manage, you are going to make watershed and you are going to manage so that all the water will be reached to the common point. The third important aspect is usage of renewable energy, means you are going to capture solar power, you are going to capture wind power, you are going to capture biogas, production of biogas. Means instead of using CNG gas, you are going to produce biogas by the waste materials which are produced in the kitchen or in the farm. Using those products, you are going to form biogas and you are going to use as a source of fuel for kitchen. Other important aspect is maintenance of waste recycling, means already you have mentioned biogas plants. For that biogas, these waste can be used in production of biogas. Other waste recycling means the, for example, the waste which are generated in the farm can be used as a feed for animals, and you can make compost, you can make vermicompost, you can make manures, and these crop residues can be used as a mulches. So you are not throwing this waste, you are going to recycle it. The other one is you are going to incorporate livestock. You are not only going for only farming sole crops, you are going to integrate farming. Means you are going to add a dairy unit, add a poultry unit, add along with the crops. The other one is eco enterprises, like you are going to rear mushrooms, you are going to go for beekeeping, which is highly profitable, means growing of honeybees. nursery raising. So leaf plate making, nowadays plastic plates should be are inconvenient, so that has to be removed. Instead of that, you can go for leaf plate making by using the leaves produced from some uh, trees. So mushroom cultivation, beekeeping, and leaf plate making, this is also a good source of revenue. It can act as a entrepreneurship and value addition of farm produce and making of handicrafts and rural industries like weaving by using cotton and silk weaving for means usage of natural fibers for clothing. These are some eco enterprises. The other one is digital services. Along with all these services, integration or knowing of digital like Kisan call centers, weather advisories like Gramin Krisam Mausam Seva project, or soil testing. Based on the soil testing, you are going to know what are nutrients are present in your soil, and based on that, you are going to apply through natural means or by artificial means. And usage of information communication technology and digital payments. The other one is formation of community institutions, means formation of self-help groups, food producer organizations, village level federations, means you're forming a group, and based on that you're forming a enterprise and you're running the villages. These are the different components of a bio village. What are the principles of bio village? Pro nature means you're going to save the nature and you're going to bring the nature back. Pro poor means reduction of poverty. Pro women, you are going to encourage women and its development and their encouragement in society. The other one is pro employment. Through these enterprises, you are going to create employment. Low external inputs, you are going to use natural inputs like biofertilizers or crop residues, and artificial sources will be reduced. Resource recycling means the waste which are generated will be used in the farm itself. You are not going to throw it out. You are going to make enterprises like vermicomposting, composting, or usage of mulcher, etc. Means you are going to use the resources. You are going to use the renewable energy resources. Community participation, formation of self-help groups, and making a community from 6 to 10 members, and forming a group and taking a loan, and making an enterprise and making generation of income. So next one is climate smart, means based on the climate you are going to grow what kind of crop by using digital services, and along with that you are going to save the environment. These are the different principles of bio village. What are the benefits? Because of diversification you will get more income through, if for example if any unnatural calamity occurs, if one crop fails the other one gives income. So based on because of that you will get some income, diversified income, by and not only by crop. You are going for livestock based, you're getting income from crop, you're getting income from livestock, you're getting income from poultry, you're getting income from biogas, means diversified income. You are going to improve soil health and fertility as you are reducing the usage of artificial fertilizers, chemicals. Automatically soil health will be regained. The other one is water conservation. As you're incorporating technologies like water management technologies like contour cultivation, water conservation will be improved. Reduced chemical pollution. Conservation of biodiversity. Since you're forming eco enterprises like beekeeping, mushroom cultivation, they act as these honeybees act as some natural enemies for some other pests. So, like that, you're going to conserve the environment and you're going to bring back the biodiversity. Lowering greenhouse gas emissions. Since you're reducing the usage of chemicals like fertilizers like urea, automatically methane emissions will be reduced, and you're going to incorporate not only solo cropping, you are going to incorporate multiple crops. Automatically greenhouse gas emissions will be decreased. For example, in case of rice crop there will be more liberation of methane. So if you are changing the crop, if you're diversifying the crop along with the rice and reducing the rice area, automatically methane emissions can be reduced in a similar fashion. So lowering the greenhouse gases is one of the advantage. Greater resilience to climate change. As you are using different crops, different enterprises, automatically your model, your village will be sustainable to different climatic situations. Better food, since chemical usage is reduced, the food quality will be improved, and automatically the health of the people will be improved, and you will have improved quality of life for all the people. So this is called as biovillages. This is a model where you are going to have all the renewable sources usage in one or more different ways. You are going to have different crops and different agro enterprises like crop, livestock, poultry, bring usage of renewable energy, usage of some eco enterprises like mushroom means all you are going to use, and by using a forming a community, not one person, group of persons will be forming, and they are going to share their ideas, and they are going to develop this village. This is simply a bio village, which is sustainable, self reliant, and making the village prosperous in an eco friendly manner.